Carried four little Jezebel them pitney Ghana church. I get to you living I know. Pan only Jamaican in the Jamaican diaspora me hear it. When somebody give people gift, they might check up how much money and talking about it and I return back money and I give back things after 2-3 years when them spend it. Me was over YouTube a while ago. Coming over YouTube. I say a long time I go live on YouTube. So I say me was going to go live. So I go me see the boy of Jamaica. Me not even know dub. Me not even know God is so good to me. Me not even bother going to really fix it this morning. Him over there take the video the other day when me was discussing about the woman a yard and him over there as usual I dissect it. And I talk about how much bed it costs and a bed where me asleep on, me can't hardly turn. Let me make sure I tell you. And a board head, him see one piece of board go across. And me now on bed. Let me tell you something. You see my bed when me having a Raymore and Famigan a $4,000 feet. Almost 5,000. You see the bed when me sleep on in this apartment here, a king size bed. Me can't hold in it. And you see which part me sleep? Me catch right at the edge. You know the reason why? Because you can't see my business. I am not coming out of social media. You see piece of bed there, you see go across, no worry about it. You see my mattress I sleep on, and one of the most comfortable mattress. You can't even afford this a mattress. Me not ask you, you can't afford it. You can't afford this a mattress. This a mattress, you cannot afford it. Myself can't even afford this a mattress that good. If me not wheel out some good $3,000 feet. Me not ask you. But me not come in and come show. Me thought the other day so me not showing my place. Me not have to show nothing. So now keep on talking. I'm not showing you nothing. So whether you want to see piece of bed, no worry. Where you see, you will soon see. Where you need to see. No worry where you need to see. You soon see where you need to see. But let me tell you something, me quite comfortable. You see my bathroom, my bed, me I tell you say a 2 times for you. Me not ask you. Me I let you know straight up. You understand? So me no worry about me I sleep. I see you want to see in my place. You and your little old Jezebel unwanted souls. You don't have no talking to me when it comes to decoration and apartment. Go up on Facebook or look and see how my apartment used, how me set up my apartment, how maybe people copy me out of social media. What you need to talk about is the fact that every ideas that I ever come up with or every decoration in certain aspect are people out there copy me. So give Marcia credit where Marcia is crew. Don't try it. You claim say I watch me over a decade or more. You see in my place how my place look. You can't compare. Not even you yourself can't even decorate and your place don't even look like mine. So it don't make no sense. You need to find other contents. Carry 4 little Jezebel them pitney Ghana church. And that you need to do. I'm going to christen your pitney before falling angel come down for your pitney. Because he said the sins of his father shall fall on the children. So just remember that anything that you said about me and discuss me about me every day now go unpunished. It's going to fall back right on your children. So if you're over there discriminate woman and a fight woman and a beat up woman and talking all kind of stuff about woman, remember that you have daughters. I am sure you claim say you have 4 pitney and you have a new baby the other day. Remember that there must be 2 or 3 pitney data in it. So just remember, say anything we over there discuss, we get money. You're going to be sorry. Because a time will come, you can't even come on YouTube because say nothing. Nothing at all. So just remember that. Me more comfortable than you. Me more safer than you. I get how you live in, I know. And you don't live in a prestigious neighborhood. You live into a ghetto. If it may not be ghetto, but I'm just letting you know. You not live in a Cherry Garden. You not live in a Beverly Hills. You not live in a Mandeville in a estate. Them. You not live in a Caribbean estate. You not live nothing. You not live in a them the part of the world. You cannot compare to me. I'm telling you. Me I let you know which part me live I am telling you, a top security. I'm telling you straight up. You see, when you see which part me live and walk a building at top, you cannot come here to me unless me allow you to come here. Me have access to swimming pool and gym and tennis and volleyball and tennis and football and all them sort of something there. I'm letting you know that straight up. You cannot talk nothing about Marcia. I'm telling you straight up. Don't worry about if you never see my bed yet. I lie you I tell. You see my bed enough time. You see Romy a jump on my bed. You see Romy jumping on my bed. You see my bed. It's lie you're telling. A king size bed I have sleeping on. A fast. Because I'm not giving no more content in certain things. That's why I want to do that chat. You ain't see nothing. So keep on worrying about my bed and my mattress. You're bright. America, me live. I want thing, when me come to Marcia. Me not sleep on cheap mattress. You see my mattress you see my furniture, me walk out, left that mattress, how much me pay for? Must about almost 1,500 when I bought it. And the mattress is too tough, me walk out left. You see my mattress when me have a rain more, you see how much feet? Did you went shopping with me? I don't believe in sleeping on cheap mattress. I'm a lifetime. I see like how me turn all 51 right now. Make sure say if my mattress no reach 3 grand, that now go on. Me not ask you. Cause me not believe in spending money pan expensive bag and clothes. When they on Facebook and if you get a life. God get a life. You not even come and show like you come on social media analyze things every day. You couldn't even come and show like a church. You don't see matter you cost me see me walking at the house a lot. To get like a salvation. Me still a hold on said we me not go far yet. I'm still holding on. When you come on social media, brag about house and how much, and them they start of something in bed, and this and how much you have and whatever. And me not see which part now hold on salvation. Go to church. And that need to go cover on a pitney. And go cover on a family. And that no video and go sow like a seed. You look at destruction money one time when I get now on a paycheck every week time. We need to pray upon it. Me get a little bit too. A month time too. But me make sure say me sow a little seed out of it and me make sure say me pray. But who not just a penny so who not going to see what happen to no. That's why I not so confused boy. I fast not people business. I must fix you one of them there. I must fix you. You chat too much. Go find salvation. At Jamaica you live, Me don't know how you worry about people live in America. You can't worry about me. You understand? You cannot worry about me. Me live in America. Me grow here. Me not grow in Jamaica. I must say 9 years me spend in my life in Jamaica. Yes, about 9 years. 9 years. Me not even, me a little pitney. You can't talk about me. And 9 years me spend in Jamaica in my life. Me a Jamaican, real Jamaican. Me a real Jamaican. And me a 51 years old now. Check it. You can't come talk to me. Me earn my stripe here. No girl and the boy can't talk to me if you know the America this long. Me earn my stripe in this Uncle Sam country. And me a pay taxes from me a 17 years old in this country. I may never get my rent pay from them yet. You understand? Me never ever go on welfare in my life from me live America. You understand? So me have to let you know. You can't talk about me. Me can never hungry America. And me can never homeless America. You understand? Me too skilled. Me have my paperwork them. You can't play with me. Me a fully citizen from me in my 20s. I think about say when me are 18 or 21, me take my citizenship. You can't play with me. Think when I was like in my 21 or something, I got my citizenship. You can't chat to me no time, no day, no morning. Yeah, so no people who sit down in Jamaica, we sit down in a third world country. And if you're not living like the prime minister and the Hazan them and the some other young people, no, if you chat about people, nobody will chat about body. Most of your supporters, them with the pan support, we are follow back at you over your page and a boost you up and attack all kind of things. Me them a talk about how me pay $300 for one hotel for somebody. You must know if a $300 me pay. You must know if a $300 I pay, because you was there when me I spend my money. You must there. As so no come on social media come talk story. You must know say a $300 me pay. You better get no figure right. Get on figure right. You understand? It should be a shame of on self. On a sick stomach. On come like a them non-emancipated Negroes. When emancipated. On people sick stomach. The only people who behave like Uno are people who are very unhappy. Uno sick stomach. A first in my life I ever heard of somebody, pan only Jamaican, in the Jamaican diaspora me hear it. When somebody give people gift, they might check up how much money and talking about it and I return back money and I give back things after 2-3 years when them spend it. You see people like them there, you know say later down in life, you know say dog name them supper. You know them more drop off a chair. We no can't stay here. You see when people give us stuff from the heart, and when I come back and I talk about it, I've never heard in a no history where people give somebody something and come on social media trace about it. Have you ever heard any white folks giving anybody any gift and coming talking about it? Have you ever heard any Chinese or any Africans and the African them take over social media now? Me not ask you. You ever hear them give somebody nothing? You ever hear them give Cora or Life Less Scripted or Nurse Glory and them come and you hear no blogging about it, so them give Nurse Glory and nobody nothing? It's only in the Jamaican. Because guess what? Uno don't used to nothing. The only thing uno used to is when you open up on the front and go sell on a vagina. You see me, I try to walk with the Lord, so I go speak a little better because I know there's a lot of minister and pastor watching me. But minister and pastor watching me, I'm going to speak exactly what I need to give it to them until when God sanctify me out. Me not go change until when God sanctify me and put the Holy Ghost in there. You understand? Only no used to nothing. If you no slave over something, if you don't slave over something, I wanna go out with man and man carrying out go have and get one little $1,000, one little $300, and one little $100. Una don't know nothing about gift if una don't open up on the front to get gifts. So una don't used to those things. Anybody where see come on social media, let me make it clear, and talking about where people give to them and analyzing it and bringing up price is because una don't used to nothing. Nobody no give una nothing. If you no go to one baby father and one man for give una something, una don't get nothing. If una don't open up on the front, una don't get nothing. So that's why una don't know how to take gratitude from people are good, are people who are used to things. Marcia used to things. I have been given from I was a young girl. From me dad Jamaica, me a thief, me auntie things them, and I give to people in the community where don't have it. So me born to be a giver. I was a young before I left America. Me I take with my things them I give pitney. I share me bubbles and me this and me that and me I take with things I give people. People are come at the yard make me get beaten. When curly there, them auntie say, where them come to me for? That time me I take with me auntie things, food stuff I give away to people. So from then come at the house and I say, where curly there? And me auntie say, where them come for? They realize that me I take what things I give people. So people, them the people will come back and talk about things and talk about things and I give back people money. Them don't used to Them not used to kindness. Well, I used to kindness. Me grew up with kindness. I grew up in a household where my family take care of people who less fortunate than us.